How can you change your Instagram username? First of all, full disclosure, if you've already changed your Instagram username in the last 14 days and you want to find a way to actually change it before the 14 days penalty is off, there's a video I've already created and you can see it in the cards above. And in this video you'll learn how to change your Instagram username for the first time. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you are awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab a copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new with bell notifications, because otherwise you're not really subscribed. YouTube won't show my content to you. Okay, so the way to actually change your Instagram username or display name is you click on edit profile, and here there's a few things that you should know. First of all, the username is the name that you log in with. This is the username, right? This is the more important thing. This is the thing that takes time to change. This thing right here you can change twice within 14 days, but this, the username, you can change once per 14 days. Yes, it will be reserved for 14 days if you change it and want to change it back afterwards, but you can change it once in 14 days. The way to do that is very simple. You click on the username and just change it, hit done, and that's done. But I don't want to do because I don't want a weird username. And a lot of people actually want to change their name because when they started out, their Instagram username was taken, or in my situation had a really cheesy Instagram username. It was drnicky.official, which was really weird, right? And now it's drnicky.co, and the reason I did that was my domain for my website and for my digital marketing agency is drnicky.co. Went ahead and changed my username. Are there any penalties to changing your username? So if you ask Instagram, it seems like there wouldn't be any, right? If you check some forums or some statistics, some case studies, it seems that your Instagram reach might go down. And it's not just because of the algorithm, it's mostly because of, especially if it's a very drastic Instagram username change, people might not notice who you are. So if you are really thinking about changing your name, for example, you had a brand name, for example, Visual Styles, and now you want to change your name to Nick Y or to John Smith, and a wise thing would be to actually do some posts, do some stories to warm up your audience about the change. Do some posts so they're ready and they know there's a change coming. You know what? I'll shout your Instagram username out, especially if you're starting from scratch. Just comment your Instagram username down below and I'll help you out. I'll shout it out in one of my next videos. Because remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should check one of these videos out. This is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Bye.